What are the residence requirements after obtaining permanent residence in the UK? Hi, this is Jessica from Latitude Law, and we're looking at the question of any residence requirements are required to apply to people who hold permanent residence in the UK. So if you hold indefinite leave to remain in the UK, you may not realise, but you are still subject to residence requirements, and it's important you comply with these so that you retain your indefinite leave to remain status. Under most routes of the immigration rules, if you are granted indefinite leave to remain or settlement, then this will lapse if you are outside the UK for a continuous period of over 2 years. Lapsing doesn't necessarily mean that you lose the status and have to restart a new period of settlement, but rather that you will need to apply to essentially reactivate the status. This type of application is called a returning resident application. And if you're interested in the requirements of this, then please see my separate video on the subject. Applying for a returning resident application will require providing evidence of your links to the UK and also evidence of why you remained outside of the UK for such a long period. The exception to the 2-year residence period is for those who are granted indefinite leave to remain under the EU settlement scheme, or settled status as it's known. Settled status holders can spend up to 5 continuous years outside the UK without losing their status. In the event that they do spend over 5 continuous years outside the UK, they will also be required to make a returning resident application, as already discussed, in order to have their settled status restored to them. If you hold indefinite leave to remain and want more details about the residence requirements, then please get in touch with us at Latitude Law. Thanks.